Hello everyone, welcome to another Silicorp video here today, Thursday, January 28th. In this video, I will be discussing why GameStop and other high short interest names and popular names like Kodak, Nikola, AMC, BlackBerry, Build-A-Bear, Palantir, Nokia, why they're all down 20, 30, 50% today. So if you've watched the last few videos or if you just check the news at all, you would have seen that these high short interest names have gone parabolic this last week due to a coordinated effort by users on Wall Street Bets and others into buying stock and outdated or out of the money call options, forcing the stock higher as now a wave of buyers is entering, and also in these high short interest names, forcing the shorts to either delta hedge by buying the stock or cover their position by also buying the stock at market price. That is why you're seeing these parabolic moves. Today, however, you're seeing the exact opposite. You're seeing the bubble finally burst. You're seeing GameStop down 55% being halted. You're seeing these other names being down 20, 30 plus percent. Why is that happening today? Well, two main reasons why stocks are falling today, why those stocks are falling today. The first one is last night, Wall Street Bets was taken private. It was shut down. And without Wall Street Bets, obviously the users are unable to share the gains, talk, coordinate, message, and so forth. And that's definitely going to hurt communication. The second thing, and the biggest factor, is that Robinhood and other brokerages banned users from buying GameStop and AMC stock. You were only allowed to close your position. So between having Wall Street Bets being shut down and simply the fact that you're not allowed to buy these stocks anymore caused investors to be like, okay, well now I'm going to take my profits. And that's why you're seeing these stocks fall today. I don't think anyone, had a good guess of when this was going to happen. But obviously, with those two things in play, it's not surprising you see the stocks fall. Who knows what's going to happen to these names going forward? I mean, if Wall Street Bets does shut down permanently on Reddit, it'll pop up somewhere else under a different name, under a different site. And, a lot of people, a lot of these investors made quite a bit of money on these calls and stock on GameStop and other plays. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see another resurgence in other high short interest names, or frankly other sectors of the market as well. I mean, this could happen to almost any company outside of some of the biggest companies in the world. So it is quite disappointing to see the timing of Wall Street Bets being shut down and brokerages coordinating the prohibition of buying these stocks. Again, buying GameStop at $400 a share seems quite reckless. But at the same time, is there something larger going on? Again, the people who were getting screwed, it was Main Street finally, taking on Wall Street. And obviously Wall Street has the money and the resources. Was this something that, they orchestrated, that they, start shorting these positions and then reached out to Reddit, reached out to these exchanges and said, hey, shut this down, stop it? Who knows? I would not be surprised. I don't want to put any conspiracy theories out there, but I'm sure I'm not the only one thinking that this is kind of suspicious, that this level, that these measures were taken. So anyways, that's why these stocks are down today. They're down today because Wall Street Bets was shut down, and they're down today because brokerages were not allowing their users to buy GameStop and AMC stock. And as a result, the other high short interest names and other names that went parabolic followed suit in GameStop. GameStop is sort of like the Bitcoin of the crypto community, or the Bitcoin of these these parabolic names, right? If Bitcoin's going to tank, the other coins are going to follow suit as well. And so when GameStop started tanking today, it's the afternoon, it's down 55%, again being halted twice. The other names are going to follow suit as well. So, hope that helps explain why you're seeing these stocks down today. And again, this is not investment advice or any recommendations. I have absolutely no idea what's going to happen tomorrow or in the future, whether these stocks will rebound, whether Wall Street bets will come back, whether these stocks will continue tanking down to their pre-parabolic moves. Some stocks like Nokia have already done that. Obviously, GameStop still has another 95% plus to go to get there, but who knows what's going to happen. It's definitely fun to watch, and obviously much caution when getting into these names, because I'm hoping you're not someone who's watching this video and was unable to sell when the stock got halted, and then when it resumed trading, it was down another 10-20%. But that's one of the things you have to consider when trading these names, is that when you sell, it doesn't mean that there's going to be buyers. And when the moves are as violent as we've seen today and yesterday with GameStop, and the stock gets halted, it's going to open up it's most likely going to open up at a much different price, whether to the upside or to the downside. So just keep that in mind if that's something you're looking to play with. So anyways, hope this video helped, and see ya.